Hello everyone, my friend and I will introduce everyone to the business etiquette of Japan. First, my friend and I will introduce ourselves.
Hello, my name is Tiara Pardede. You can call me Tiara. I'm from Publishing 4B.
Okay, my name is Cindy Yulia. I'm from Publishing 4B.
Okay, let's get started. Japan is an archipelagic country in East Asia with a total of 6,852 islands. In Japanese, Japan is called Nihon, which means land of the rising sun. The national flag of Japan is a white striped flag with a dark red circle in the center. This flag is officially called Nisoki, but is generally known as Hinomaru. Japan has famous and iconic places, the first of which is Mount Fuji. The second place is Shibuya Crossing. The third is the Tokyo Tower. The fourth is Kyoto. The fifth is Osaka. And the sixth is Tokyo Disneyland. Okay, next. Japanese food. The first is sushi. The second is sashimi. The third is shabu-shabu. The fourth is takoyaki. The fifth is ramen. The sixth is udon. The seventh is mochi. The eighth is onigiri. The last one is dorayaki. Greeting in Japanese, or can called ajigi, is to bow and handshake. Japanese people bow to people who are more senior or of higher status as a greeting and respect. Next, the rule of bowing in Japan is from 15 until 45 degrees. Next, men keep their arms by their sides. Next, women cross their arms and place them in front of their things. The things to remember is, when bowing, you should not make eye contact because it will be considered bad and aggressive behavior.
Dress etiquette for men. First, from October through April, most Japanese businessmen, especially senior managers, executive, and salarymen, wear dark navy, charcoal gray, or black suit with a white shirt and zip-up tie. 2. Japanese business people tend to wear formal coats in the winter months of December through February and Burberry-style short raincoats in March and April. 3. Japanese businessmen generally have well-groomed short hairstyle. 4. From May through September, Japanese businessmen swap their dark suit for light gray suits. Next, avoid wearing too much aftershave or cologne in a meeting. Next, consider that most Japanese companies do not allow male employees to have wear or shave. Dress etiquette for women. First, look strong but avoid looking too glamorous. Next, wear shorter or tight back hair. Next, avoid wearing too much perfume. Next, avoid bright handbags in meeting. It's better to use an executive briefcase or shoulder bag. Next, wear trousers with or longer skirts with sensational color as described in the section above for men. Next, consider that most Japanese companies do not allow female employees to wear jewelry or above the knee skirt. Next, despite Japanese companies often requiring female employees to wear high-heeled shoes in the office, a foreign female executive should feel free to wear whatever business formal shoes she feels appropriate.
Okay, next, business meeting etiquette. First, come to the meeting on time. Next, before entering the room, knock on the door 3 times. Next, exchange business card or meiji koukan as the beginning of communication in the world of work in Japan. Next, sit down after being invited to sit by the host. Next, speak politely or keigo because in Japan politeness is very important and priorities. Next, in business event, do not wear casual clothes. Men should wear conservative dark color business suits. Women are advised not to wear trousers because it is considered impolite and gives an offensive impression.
Do. First, be on time. Next, pay careful attention to hierarchy. Next, treat business card with care and always be sure to have enough. Next, express gratitude and apologize with sincere frequency. Next, learn about gift-giving rituals. Next, try to do or say something Japanese. The effort goes a long way. Next, remember that the group is more important than the individual. Next, summarize key points in writing and use visual supplements. Next, be well-groomed and on the formal, conservative side with appearance. Next, remember that relationship and trust are of paramount importance. First, don't directly challenge a senior person, especially in front of others. Next, don't outwardly express negative, angry, frustrated emotion. Next, don't refer to a Japanese person by first name unless introduced to do so. Use last name, person, but never use son for yourself. Next, don't decline an invitation to socialize. Next, don't self-aggrandize. Modesty is a virtue. Next, don't pour your own drink. Next, don't wear flashy accessories, bright clothes, or expensive perfume or cologne. Next, don't engage in direct confrontation or aggressive tactics. Next, don't pass food with chopstick or stick chopstick in your eyes. Next, don't mix excuses.
Next, giving etiquette. Gift giving is an endemic part of Japanese business life and should not to be confused with the notion of bribery and corruption. Gifts should not be too extravagant but should always be of good quality. It's important to bring some small gift to Japan to share with new and existing contacts. Gifts should always be wrapped, but don't use plain white wrapping paper as it symbolizes death. Avoid giving gift in the amount of 4 or 9 as these are unlucky numbers. Anything sharp can signal a desire to end the relationship. Alcohol, especially a good single malt whiskey, is always a cherished gift. Handing over of souvenirs should be done at the end of the meeting or visit. Submission is done with 2 hands and vice versa when receiving. Okay, next, relate points played in Japan. Japan is one of the development countries in the world. Technology in Japan is growing rapidly and is very well known in foreign countries. Japan is famous for its discipline and cleanliness. Japan is also famous for politeness and adherence to seniority. Japanese people almost never invite dinner at home. Business dinners are generally held in restaurants. Usually the host will choose the menu and pay for it.
Shueisha Publishing Company itself is a Japanese publishing company based in Tokyo. The beginning of this company was the publishing division of Shogakukan in the entertainment sector, which was founded in 1925. But over time, the Shueisha Company became a separate company in 1949. The Shueisha Company is the publisher of the weekly Shonen Jump magazine, which successfully published popular manga ranging from Dragon Ball, Slam Dunk, One Piece, Naruto, Bleach, Gintama, and others. In addition to publishing the famous Shonen Jump, Shueisha own company publishes other types of magazines such as Akamaru Jump, Young Jump, V-Jump, and various other types of magazines including adult magazines. Next, Kodansha. Kodansha Publishing Company is a manga magazine publisher shonen magazine which has successfully published popular manga such as Sailor Moon, Fairy Tail, and Attack on Titan. Shonen magazine itself began to be published on March 17, 1959, and is a competitor of Shonen Jump, which is owned by the Shueisha Company. This Kodansha Company was founded in 1909 and was initiated by Seiji Noma, a subsidiary of Dai Nippon Yubenkai Greater Japan Oratory Foundation. The company is headquartered in Bunkyo, Tokyo, Japan. The Kodansha Company publishes other types of magazines, such as manga magazine, Nakayoshi, and Afternoon. In addition to publishing literary magazines such as Gunzo, Gendai, and Sukai Gendai, and publishes the Japanese dictionary Nihongo Daijiten. Next, Shogakukan. Shogakukan Publishing Company was founded in 1922. Its office is based in Tokyo, Japan. The Shogakukan Publishing Company is still under the same roof with the Shueisha Company under the auspices of the Hitotsubashi Group. It's just that the companies stand individually and the Shogakukan Publishing Company is the co-owner of the Viz Media Company based in the United States with the Shueisha and Hakunsa companies. The Shogakukan publisher has a well-known manga magazine called Shonen Sunday that has been around since 1959, which has succeeded in producing manga such as Detective Conan and Inuyasha. In addition to publishing manga, this company publishes dictionaries, literary works, non-fiction works, and others.
That's enough. Thank you for watching. See you.